to drink cocktails that I fancy, jump on tables and be dancy. I don't believe in things like heaven or hell.
Hello and welcome to Delightful, Delicious, Delovely. My name is Christina Elise, and today you're going to watch me make my virgin effort at vegan seared scallops that I'm going to make from king trumpet mushrooms. King trumpet mushrooms, I find them in a bag like this at my Asian markets. They're harder to find in mainstream markets, but every Asian market I've been in, Thai markets and stuff, they all have them. They're big giant mushrooms like this. So what I did was I cut the ends off and I sliced these guys, the stems, into what look like scallops. And then I soaked them for about an hour in a combination of a cup of veggie stock and a quarter cup of white wine. I soaked them in that for a while. Oh, I also put in a tablespoon each of nori flakes and this kelp to try to give it a little bit of a seafoody vibe. It's not going to be too important though. It's really the visual I'm going for. So right now I've heated up in here. I'm heating up about maybe a tablespoon or so of olive oil, and I'm going to add butter, even though the butter might burn on me, so we'll see. That was maybe 2 tablespoons of butter. I shouldn't use, I might just take the, I'm going to call that 1 tablespoon of butter or half a tablespoon of butter and take the rest out. The butter burns and these things need to cook for a little bit longer than the butter will like being cooked. So I soaked them for an hour and then I drained them on this paper towel, and now I'm putting them in there. All right. This is on a high heat, medium high. I feel like I look ridiculous. My hair, it's sort of in between haircuts and it's unmanageable. So pardon my appearance. When I first started this channel, I was all into getting dressed up for it every day. I'd put on these, get all gussied up. I was excited to try new makeup styles. And yeah, I guess the blush is off the rose. And I'm not getting dressed up for the channel anymore. Alright, what I'm hoping for these guys to do is get that dark brown seared thing that scallops get when you sear them. Alright, I think these are going to need maybe 6 minutes on each side, so I'm not going to make you watch me do this for 12 minutes. I'm also going to make for this dish a lemon, garlic, pasta, angel hair pasta to serve these scallops on. But I will cook these for a little bit and I'll be back. Okay, so it took 10 minutes. I seared them all on each side. They look like scallops to me, and they are draining on a paper towel. I wiped the pan out. Now I'm going to heat, I would say, a teaspoon of olive oil, and to that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, which I don't fucking have. Hold on. Butter. Alright, so now I need a fucking towel. Okay, so in the sink I have a pound of angel hair pasta draining. I'm melting this butter with a little bit of the olive oil in this pan, and to it I'm going to add the zest of 1 lemon and the juice of a lemon. It's going to be pretty lemony. I like my shit lemony. If you don't, cut back on the lemon, add it up to taste. But I like a lot of lemon. Alright, okay, to this I'm going to add a pinch of crushed red pepper. Probably a lot more than a pinch. It's probably about a tablespoon. I like my shit hot. To that I'm adding the juice of a lemon and the zest of that lemon. And I'm adding, this is 4 really big cloves of garlic that I minced. This is very easy. I'm going to give this garlic, once the butter gets warm again, because it got cold from that lemon juice, once it gets warm again and the garlic starts getting aromatic, I'm just going to toss the pasta in here. And then place some scallops on top of the pasta and garnish it with parsley. Ooh. All right. It's thicker. And that is that. I'm turning this off, the heat off of this. I'm going to put some pasta in this bowl. I think I need the whole pound, actually, for the amount I have there. Woo! Okay, that's probably about half a pound. That I'm going to toss with this. Should have put it in the pan, huh? Should I just put this in the pan? Fuck it, it's in the bowl. Hold on. Okay. So that's basically it. I'm going to plate this and place some scallops on each plate and then just garnish it with parsley, and that is it. That is my recipe for, you know what, I haven't tasted one. I'm going to taste one for these scallop thingies. I haven't ever made them before, and I've never tasted them. So I'm just going to bite one. Oh my god. It's exactly the texture of a scallop. It's crazy. It has that rubbery thing. It even has like a thready texture. Let's see if I can show you. That's fucking crazy. Alright. That's a huge success. I recommend them very highly. So there you have it. That is my recipe for vegan scallops made with king trumpet mushrooms and a lemon garlic pasta. So there. Until next time, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And yeah, thanks. Bye.
Cocktails are the best. What could be better than this? Fancy cocktails, fancy cocktails, fancy cocktails.